today we are hiking in Big Bend National Park, and we're going to go from here to here. We're starting on Pinnacles Trail, and then we're going to head up to the Boot Canyon Trail, and then take that out to the South Rim. It's going to be about 11.5 miles with 2,400 feet of ascent and descent, so it should be a pretty fun hike. So while we were getting ready to go, we saw people hiking right up there. Still a little dark, so they had their headlamps on, and that was how we were able to see them. We were going to be ending up right up there too. And look at this view right here. It is not too bad of a view. Sun is definitely coming up. So we're going to try to keep going as quick as we can, so that way we can beat the sun before it becomes a 97-degree day. Okay, so we just made it up about 1.5 miles, and right there it says Pinnacles Trail to the right, and that is where we're heading. So we're just taking a right and we're gonna go up that way. It looks pretty flat so far, so we're gonna hope to make up some pretty good time right here, and the sun is definitely still coming up. The clouds have definitely lifted a little bit, so looking good to get a good view on the South Rim. This trail is really nice because as you keep going up, you keep getting rewarded with this view right here. It's not too bad. You're always looking at something really good on this trail. So this is the 1,000-foot mark. We have gone up so far 1,000 feet. I don't know if you can see it, but we started way down there in that parking lot. So we're definitely making good progress. I think the trip is only 2,500 feet all the way up to the East Rim and back. So we're definitely making good progress, and we just have to go up there. This is definitely one of the trails where it seems like it will take forever to get up, but if you look at our view, we are very high up there. We started just right down behind that tree, and then that rock right up there is where we saw all those hikers with their headlamps going up. Just a few more switchbacks to go, and then we are at the first mountain pass where Emery Peak Trail starts. Well, we have made it to the top. We are finally at the first mountain pass. It was very windy up here because it was the pass in between two mountains, so all the wind funneled straight through there. We came up from right behind all those rocks, down and then to the right. That is where we started. Now that we made it up, we're going to head towards the Boot Canyon Trail. So right now we are walking down Boot Canyon. I have yet to see any boots along the trail, unless you're from Europe, you call shoes boots. But right now we just got out to this little viewpoint, and it's all very foggy. I've never seen really anything like it, especially not on this hike. We hiked about 2 years ago on this trail. It was nothing like this, so that is pretty neat. When we get to South Rim, we'll definitely have to see if it's foggy, but I'm definitely hoping that it's not, so that way we can get a very epic view. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe while you're down there. So we are currently still hiking in Boot Canyon, and we are making our way to Boot Canyon Spring, so that way we can look for Colma warblers, which is a rare warbler in Boot Canyon. My brother is a world famous YouTuber and birder with the channel of Better Birders. So we're definitely hoping to find this, because this will definitely be a life lister for him. We have finally made it up to the south rim. It is still a little bit smoky, but the view is still pretty good. Now we're gonna go back the same way that we came down the Pinnacles Trail and Boot Canyon. From up here, you can either hit the Laguna Meadows Trail and walk along the south rim to hit that, or you can double back the same way that we are going to down the Pinnacles Trail and Boot Canyon. The Laguna Meadows Trail, a couple extra miles, but it's supposed to be a little bit mellower on the way down. So there's definitely an option that you can hit if you want to do a loop. Well, we have made it back up over the pass, and now we are heading back down Pinnacles Trail after we just got Boot Canyon done. And the clouds have definitely lifted, and look at that view. We're going to be going right around this rock and then straight down, so to the valley and to the right. That is where the parking lot is. Should be all downhill from here, in a good way. Future Luke here. I did not record a lot on the way down, because it is the same views and it was very hot. So make sure you bring enough water. I know that I brought probably about 3 liters of water and still ran out on the way down. So you definitely need to bring a lot of water on this hike. It was very hot and it was early May when we were here and did that hike. So definitely make sure you bring enough water and start pretty much as early as you can. Hiking the first part in the dark or twilight is definitely probably a pretty good idea. Alright, let's get back to the video. We made it down and we got to see the Coloma Warbler, which was definitely a plus. We did 11.5 miles in 7 hours and 40 minutes with 2,800 feet of vertical ascent and descent. Definitely a pretty good hike. It was the first long hike of the year with a few more to come. If you enjoy this video, I really like it. If you hit the like button and subscribe while you're down there. Next video, we will be biking at Big Bend Ranch State Park, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Go out and find your epic.